get a real kick out of being called Master, so that's how you're gonna refer to me. Hobbies include drinking booze, getting ladies, and making devils dead.
Huh?
Awkward.
Holy shit!
My legs fail me.
Biologically, your skeletal and muscle structures are like any humans. A broken neck leaves both our kinds paralyzed. What sets you devils apart, though?
I smell blood.
With a little blood, you're right as rain again.
Damn it! What the hell was that, Grandpa?
That was just me training you kiddos up like Makima asked. Not sure why, but the gun devil has its sights set on your heart. So the fact that you're a scrub who consistently gets his ass handed to him is a problem.
Crushing pupils qualifies as training?
If said pupils were normal humans, then no. Teaching devils is a whole new ballgame for me. Tried mulling over my strategy while knocking back some drinks, and it hit me. Giant light bulb went off and illuminated this boozy brain. See, I'm the best devil hunter in the world. Any devil that can take down a powerhouse like me would be a powerhouse too. So until you're strong enough to make me beg for mercy, it's open season on both your asses.
A plague afflicts this fusty sir's mind.
Duh.
Where were we?
He's a drunk geezer, but they'll arrest us if we kill him.
Denji.
The boy is straight up immortal. We can call the fiend semi-immortal, I guess. And neither of you showed a single hint of hesitation about bashing someone's head in. In short, you have no human rights. Didn't know my own strength when I was a tyke, so I used to break my toys a lot. Always wanted playthings that could take a beating. Just you wait. By the time I'm finished with you two, you'll be a pair of serious badasses.